So I changed on the other side for you guys, and this side I'm going to go a little faster, okay? Because it's important to get this done today so I can go swimming. All right, so one, I'm going to show you how fast it can be done. Okay. "40 seconds so far. I mean, it's not gonna take 2 minutes, but it's not gonna take 2 minutes. It's not gonna take 2 hours, right? So, that's just to loosen it up, right? And it's gonna be tight, folks. Right? I don't think it's gonna be tight. All right. So back before over there, I did the brakes. I did this part after, but I'm doing it now because I have it out. And this is just what I want to do. I want to knock it out now. You guys are professionals, so what I'm doing now is I'm pushing the pistons back, and I could do it later. It doesn't matter when you do it. All right. Just in case you forgot what I look like. Alright. Seriously. Let me go slow with it, right? You can pop off the cap sometimes too with the brake fluid, because that will allow you're pushing air back into the system. The cap might pop off sometimes, or nothing's gonna happen. I didn't take the cap off, so I don't see any brake fluid leaking yet. But the next couple of days, we're gonna be training and changing brake fluid. So whatevs. All right, pistons are back in. I am going to put a hook. Oh, slow down. Break that. I'm going to put a hook in here. And I'm going to hook it on here. Okay? Remember, I'm not doing it for speed. I'm doing it just to get it done. Right? All right. Listen. Sometimes you need to buy some tools, you know. You can never go wrong buying tools. I couldn't get in here because the wrench was hitting this piece, my impact gun. So I have a little angler thingy-majiggy attachment here that will allow me to angle. Now I am putting in that in, and it's gonna help me get it off faster. So I am going to use it because, remember, I'm doing this to get it done, right? Remember, this is a brake and rotor on the front of a 2011 Ram 1500 Bighorn. Hope I don't get interrupted. Weird. It's the same thing. It's like the whole brake's not touching the rotor. I don't know what the hell. How is it supposed to? It's weird. The front, look how big it is. The front's touching all of this. The back's not like that. Very strange. Very strange. Let me see something. Yeah, you can see too in here, same thing. You see how it's shiny right here? So the brake's not even touching that. The brake's only touching the dark part. This on the back side of my rotor is not touching. I wonder if that has something to do with why it's stopping like that. I mean, that's weird. It's not right. I don't know. Gotta look into that. It's very strange. I was almost hoping I only saw it on one side, but whatever. Remember, and you guys remember what I said about buying different rotors? Get it? So the hat is painted. Unpainted hat will give you a rusty looking rotor. Like this. Rusty. Okay. Remember, it's not a race, folks. I'm just doing this because I want to get the job done so I can go swimming. Although, I don't know if I'm going to go swimming because it's kind of chilly out. So, remember, never cease. It's on here. I like to tighten it by hand first. Make sure it's all even. Right. It will get a little tight toward the end. It's gonna gum up, but you know, for the most part, you're supposed to be able to. Okay. Felt a little funny there. All right. I'm going to use this. Again, I'm not trying to race. I'm just doing it because I want to get it done. I made the video, right? The video is probably 20 minutes long. So far, I'm 7 minutes into this. Okay. That's just to get it on, okay? You still have to put the arm of this. Remember, what was I said? 130 something foot-pound around there. And I think the caliper glide pins were like 32 or something. I'm gonna post it though. This is almost, I might publish this unedited because it's like only gonna be about 15 minutes. Nah, might be kind of long. Right, so up. It's tight. It's tight. Let's see. Wow. Yeah, no joke. I was gonna make a smart comment, but I'm not gonna because whew, it clicked. Okay. Pushing the brake in now. Sorry for the silence. I'm thinking. Okay. Brakes are in. Those are tight. Caliper's pushed in. Caliper comes off. Pushing the glide pins. Remember I said it doesn't fit. It's because the glide pins are not pushed in. Push the glide pins in. On. Okay. Get your glide pin bolts. I think they were like 31 pounds torque. Or something like that. Like I said, I am not a mechanic. My disclaimer. I just know kind of what I'm thinking I'm doing. That made sense? No. It didn't, it didn't. did and it didn't. Boy! Uh-oh. You know what? This side might have something good for you guys. No. Nope. Battery dying. That's it, folks. There is one thing I do want to show you though. Right at the end. I'm probably going to insert it into the other video, to be honest with you, but I'll leave it on here and I'll have to insert it into the other video. So I'm tightening this bottom guide pin, and what I'm noticing is, let me see. Look right here. Look at that bolt right there. Oh. Woo. That happened because I'm not even, but I want you to look right there, okay? Look at it move. You see it moving? Right there. Rewind the video. It's moving, right? So I'm gonna go get a vice grip. I'm gonna vice grip it right here on the lip, and I'm gonna tighten it. All right? And that's it. So that's a brake job on a 1500 2011 Ram 1500 front brakes and rotors. And that's it. I did that in 15 minutes. The other side, I got a video posted 20 minutes. I'm talking a little bit more. But I did 2 videos on it. I want to do one real time, which is not always going to be the case. I just know this is a pretty easy job, so. But hey, like I said, stay tuned. I got a lot more for you guys. That monster, that needs some work. That monster needs some work. And we're gonna have a little discussion about C8, right? So, you know, C8 allocation, down payment, whatever, was put in over a year ago, and that time's coming. So I want to do a little review on that 370. We got to talk about keeping the 370, getting rid of the 370, getting the C8. You know, what's the steps, the movement, what we're doing here. So I need to do a lot of discussion with you guys, and it's gonna be fun, peeps. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoyed the Ram 1500 brake job. But I got a lot of work to do on a lot of different vehicles, and we're gonna have some fun. All right. So until next time. Adios.